10 tips for a bee-friendly garden. 1. Avoid food gap with four-season planting. 2. Respect bees' flower fidelity. Honeybees are effective pollinators and they only visit one type of flower in any foraging trip. So plant single species clumps. 3. Choose simple flowers. Complex flowers give minimal forage. 4. Respect bees seeing into the ultraviolet spectrum. Blue, purple, and white flowers are particularly attractive. 5. Wildflowers planting is useful as an extra. 6. Durable year-round forage. 7. Less mowing. Mow less your lawns and leave some areas to grow wild. 8. Provide shelter for bumblebees to make home in shady corners. 9. Provide water, if not a pond,